Right in front, Dad. Right in front. Right in front. Take it. Teal. This is a chest high rod. And this is his bed, right? So Dad and I had a nice morning out on the river today. We left home this morning at about 1:30, 2 o'clock. We made it to the boat launch about 5:30 this morning, and by the time we got to our spot, built our blind and threw out our decoys. I think we were sitting in the blind for less than 5 minutes, and then ducks started flying, and it was a pretty sweet morning in the blind. It's a Woody?
We both took them.
Yeah.
Here, a couple come out.
Take him. He's... Did you hit him? He got up. Take him.
That was a mallard.
Hold on, sit down.
Woody. Oh, one broke off. Okay, quiet.
Uh-oh.
Right in on my right.
Take him. Take him. He's still swimming.
No.
He's still swimming.
Oh, yeah, he is.
Go get him.
You gonna get him?
Yeah, I got him. Well, at least I'll shoot him dead.
Oh, there it is.
All right, that one's yours. Right above us. Don't move. Pull that jerk cord right now. You're good. Here they come. Good. Keep pulling it.
Shut the module off.
Right, stop. Ready? 1. Who? Pull it again.
Fucking 3. Lost.
Right. Right over our heads now. Right over us. Here it comes. Right. Over your right shoulder. Take him. Oh no. They didn't even see us. Well, I will. Oh yeah, I don't know what's gonna go on with my footage here. I'm an idiot, and on my head cam I forgot to take off the lens cover, so on my head cam I forgot to take off my lens cover. So the first hour, well 40 minutes at least, it's just gonna be black footage. We'll have audio from that, and then the audio on my stationary camera from behind the blind was all whacked out, so I might just use the audio from my head cam, sync it up with my video from my steady cam from behind, and go from there. Here they come. Here they come. Right in front. I'll shoot that one right there. Or is he dead? I'm gonna go get him. There's another one to our right.
See the three that come behind us?
Yeah, right over the top of us. I think those were Woodies.
Yeah, they're out there.
Right in front, Dad. Right in front. Right in front. Take it. With Teal. Mixed bag today.
I got him too.
Yeah. Okay, I gotta sit down for a little bit.
We cleaned that one.
Yeah. Oh, he's still swimming.
He's still going.
See him? Still swimming? And then one came out a little more.
I saw him come across.
They flew right over you. I don't know how they didn't see you or hear you because you were moving around like crazy.
They came right into.
Boom, baby.
Here we are, somewhere on a beach with Mr. Mojo. Been working good for us today. Waiting for another flock. Somewhere on a beach.
Somewhere on a beach. We've got, well, we think we've got 2 Wigeon, green-winged teal, 2 Gadwall, 2 Mallards, 1 a drake, 1 a hen. 7 ducks. We pretty much shot anything that's come in. It's been a good morning. It's been fun. It's supposed to snow any second. According to my phone. So we're gonna wrap our morning hunt up. We might come back out for a couple hours in the afternoon, see if we can finish off our limit. But we are gonna go scout for tomorrow morning. Hopefully find some ducks on the water somewhere, and then we can get on those in the morning. That's gonna wrap up our morning from somewhere in Wisconsin. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out our other duck hunting videos. Check out my bow hunting videos. Hope you guys come back, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and thanks for watching today. There he is, sitting on that limb. See him up there? He's about to hop off.